Hey everyone, Sherman here, dropping into your timeline to let you know about two events that I have coming up. I am hosting a first-time investor seminar on September the 21st, and this event is for anyone who's considered ever becoming a landlord or flipping a real estate property. You'll be able to hear from experts in the industry of mortgage, of insurance, as well as a general contractor. If you have any questions, hopefully we can have them answered for you. Hope to see you guys there. And secondly, this event is special to me. It is a domino tournament on October the 5th. This tournament will be featuring catering and Caribbean food from 5 of the top Caribbean restaurants in Hamilton. It is an all-you-can-eat event. Tickets include your entry into the tournament with a $500 cash prize. There is also your drink ticket, and it wouldn't be a Barrington real estate event without some great and fun door prizes. Guys, get your tickets before they sell out. DM me for more details.